in UP Sambhal, where another showdown which is expected, and it has intensified ahead of this planned delegation of Samajwadi Party's visit to the area, where police have already been deployed outside the UP LOP's house. And according to reports, there are being suggested that he's now been placed under house arrest. Let's listen into the live reaction.
कि हकीकत क्या है, इसीलिए मैं वहां जाना चाहता हूं।
अब अगली रणनीति क्या होगी?
अब अगली रणनीति आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में पता चल जाएगी।
सर, आज आपको जाना था, अभी आने से पहले पुलिस लगा दी गई है, अब आगे की क्या रणनीति रहेगी?
अब देखिए, हम लोग आप बात करते हैं तो रणनीति बनाते हैं। अरे यार,
सर क्या रणनीति रहेगी? आपके घर के बाहर पुलिस इकट्ठा कर दी गई है।
अगर आप एक रणनीति कैसे बताते हैं जब पुलिस उसका अब रणनीति अभी बनाया जाएगा।
तो क्या रोकने के लिए कह रहे हैं क्या? ये लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, आपसे क्या कह रहे हैं?
अभी तो हमारी पुलिस से बात हुई नहीं, आप ही लोग मिल गए ना, जरा उनसे बात कर लेने दो, क्या कह रहे हैं। उनके अधिकारी हैं, उनसे पूछ ले क्या कहना चाहते तो आपको बताते हैं।
लाइव है आप भारत समाचार में। सर, आज आप जब पहुंच रहे थे संभल, पुलिस क्यों रोक रही है सर आपको? इसके पीछे
पुलिस इसलिए रोक रही होगी कि उन्होंने अपनी गलतियों को छिपाने के लिए जो कुछ भी इन्होंने काम किया होगा।
All right, that's the leader there from the Samajwadi Party who has been stopped in his own house and not being allowed to go out, as he says that he will be speaking to the police on the matter, as he's been saying that they will then put another plan into action over this planned visit of the delegation to Sambhal, because it seems as the pictures that have been coming across this morning. We also talk about what's happening as far as precautionary measures that have already been put in place by the administration there of not allowing outsiders in Sambhal. Now, in the middle of this heated political showdown over Sambhal Shahi Jama Masjid legal battle, a 15-member delegation which is expected to visit. However, according to the police deployment that has now been done, the Samajwadi Party will then strategize on the next course of action. But their main plan was to visit Sambhal to gather information about the violence that broke out in the survey last weekend. It was held in the complex, including that of Samajwadi Party MP Ziaur Rahman Barq, who himself has been booked in connection by the police on the 24th of November violence for allegedly committing provocative acts. And he's also said to be a part of the delegation expected to lead, file a report and submit it to party chief Akhilesh Yadav.
जो 5 लोगों की मौत हुई है, उनके परिवार के लोगों से हम लोग मिलेंगे। इसके अलावा जो बहुत से लोग घायल हैं, अस्पताल में हैं, पुलिस कस्टडी में हैं, उनसे मिलेंगे और वहाँ पर शांति और अमन कायम करने का प्रयास करेंगे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये चाहती है कि हर शहर संभल बन जाए और पूरे देश में सांप्रदायिक तनाव, दंगा और हिंसा हो।
Now, UP Deputy Chief Minister has now launched a blistering attack on Akhilesh Yadav and his party. Taking to social media platform, he wrote that Akhilesh is sending a delegation because not he's concerned or has any sympathy. He wants to only garner votes and to add fuel to fire. But it remains to be seen if the Samajwadi Party delegation in the first place will be allowed to even enter Sambhal owing to the law and order situation there. However, when it comes to several reactions that have been coming in, this seems to be a moment already. The pictures that are coming in from this morning itself that the leaders may not be allowed to visit Sambhal at all.
कोई भी जो भी यहाँ आना चाहता है, उन सभी लोगों से हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। वैसे तो जिलाधिकारी के द्वारा प्रतिबंध लगाया जा चुका है कि अभी कोई यहाँ नहीं आ सकता। अभी इस तरीके की चीज़ें अगर कोई आता है तो यहाँ उत्तेजना का कारण बन सकता है, यहाँ पे इंस्टिगेशन हो सकता है, कोई उकसावा हो सकता है। इसकी वजह से हमने लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट किया है, मैं अनुरोध भी कर रहा हूँ लगातार कि जिम्मेदार लोग हैं, जिम्मेदार जगहों पर हैं, वो हमारी बात समझेंगे। जब एक बार सारी चीज़ें सामान्य हो जाती हैं, कोई आवे, किसी से भी मिले, कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। मैं तो बल्कि चाहूँगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग संभल आवें, लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल समय ठीक नहीं है और मैं लोगों से आग्रह करूँगा कि अभी ना आवे तो बेहतर है।
Well, the time is not right. It's a very sensitive situation and they have to maintain peace and law and order. But this planned visit by the Samajwadi delegation is also coming at a time when the Supreme Court has now put a stay on the trial court's action. This happened yesterday. With the top court, without commenting on the very merits of the case, asked the Mosque Committee to approach the Allahabad High Court instead and stated that no further action can be taken till the High Court hears the matter. CJI Sanjeev Khanna has also put the onus on the state to ensure law and order is maintained. In his oral observations, he said that there shouldn't be any untoward incident that should be reported from Sambhal now. Meanwhile, the ASI in its affidavit has added a new twist. The ASI maintains that the team faced difficulties while inspecting the area, the complex, because the officials were prevented from entering it. It also states that the inspection was only possible because of the effort that was put in by the district administration. It further alleges that the Masjid Committee violated norms by carrying out certain modifications inside the masjid. This has been seconded by BJP leader Shalabh Mani Tripathi, who's put out old pictures of the masjid site, claiming that up until 2012, the Samajwadi Party, before it came to power, prayers were offered at this site, which was earlier known as Harihar Mandir. He's put out some pictures as well when prayers have been taking place, wedding ceremonies have been taking place, and seeing that post that area, post that year itself, the mandir was converted into a masjid.
संभल का सरकारी गैजेट निकालेंगे और उस जगह को लेकर जो भी लिखा गया है साहित्य में, किताबों में, आर्टिकल्स में, आप उसको अगर पढ़ेंगे तो बहुत स्पष्ट आपको समझ में आएगा कि 2012 यानी कि समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार बनने से पहले आपको तस्वीरें मिलेंगी कि बहुत सी माताएं बहनें वहाँ जाती थी, पूजा पाठ करती थी, हिंदू रिचुअल्स होते थे। 2012 में समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार आई, शफीकुर रहमान बर्क जो समाजवादी पार्टी के बड़े नेता हैं, सांसद रहे, उनके दबाव में समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार में उस जगह पर पूजा पाठ बंद करा दी गई। पूरी तौर पर हरि मंदिर को कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया जामा मस्जिद में।
Well, Adib is with us right now. Adib, what's happening right now as far as the opposition leader is concerned? Because he wanted with the part of the delegation to visit Sambhal and has now been prevented from doing so.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, heavy police deployment is at the place of Mata Prasad Pandey. You can see the cops are at his place. They are inside his residence right now, and they are trying to prevent Mata Prasad Pandey from moving out of his residence. And I'll show you in the visuals how the police has prepared that they are going to stop Mata Prasad Pandey. This is the car of Mata Prasad Pandey, and as you can see in the visuals, the police have now placed their car in such a way that vehicles can't move from his residence. So you can see they have tried to block the road. This is one of the vehicles of the Uttar Pradesh police, and on my left hand side you can see there are two vehicles in which the police have tried to block the road so that the Mata Prasad Pandey cannot move from his residence. And there are the Mata Prasad Pandey has to say that first he will be trying to move towards the party headquarters here in Lucknow, where he will be meeting with other leaders. There are several of the MLAs that are in Lucknow, so he has called all the MLAs in party office. But as you can see in the visuals, the police have now blocked all the roads from his residence. They are going to try to stop Mata Prasad Pandey. The senior officials of the Lucknow police are at
so
his
this seems to be the next strategy as far as police there, which has been deployed outside his residence. However, they are attempting to reach their party office first and then will decide on the next course of action. Adib, keep us updated. Those are the developments that we are picking for our viewers live. Of course, there are more on it with reactions coming in on the other side of a very short break.